Hey guys, Nick with Okanagan Detailing here. Behind me we have a F350. It was in just over a week ago for a 1-year ceramic coating. We did a step-by-step tutorial or how-to video on how you would go about prepping the surface, polishing it, and then applying Gyeon Cancoat, which is our 1-year ceramic coating. Today we're going to do a follow-up wash and just give you an idea of what to expect. You'll see the water beading, how the dirt comes off of it, and that kind of thing. And lucky/unlucky for us, it is winter here, so the truck is a mess after only probably 10 days. So it'll give us a good idea of how easily the dirt comes off and the water behavior after we do the initial wash. You'll get to see all. Kind of misconception people have is that ceramic coatings are magic and that you'll just be able to spray your vehicle and that's it. If you live somewhere that actually has winter, it's not the case. Our roads here, they have like all kinds of de-icers and kind of a lot of calcium-based salt and sodium and whatever else that they put on ice from happening, and that stuff being a mineral, it will grab onto the paint. It doesn't like rinsing off unless you get right up on it, but even then, just a light touch like you can see, it's not taking much to get it gone, but it does require a touch, so don't panic if you just coat your vehicle and you don't have the water behavior you want on the lower sections, because it is coated in a mineral, kind of like if your faucet, if your tap, you have hard water, it gets white stuff on it. You can clean it all you want and it doesn't come off. This is a milder version of something like that, where it is a mineral all over the paint, but the second you touch it, we'll do a quick wash and then we'll spray it again right afterwards, and you'll see that it is doing what it's supposed to do. All this will come off very, very easily, but don't panic if the bottom third of your vehicle in the winter is not bead or sheet when you first initially spray it, because once you give it a wash, everything's going to be good as new, and this stuff comes off as easy as can be. So I'm just doing the final rinse on the truck here from our video series with the Meguiars ceramic coating. You can see the water's beating great. All it took was just a light touch with a mitt to get all that road film and minerals off, and we're left with a very glossy, very hydrophobic surface. We should keep it this way for a minimum of 10 months because this is Cancoat Pro as opposed to Cancoat. It'll probably be closer to 14 months, but either way, it's about a year term on either product, and it looks great, works great, and could not be any easier to apply. We're just going to blow it dry, and then we'll apply a drying aid. I think what we'll use today is Gyeon has a new product. It is Gyeon Ceramic Detailer. I've used it on one other car, and it's excellent. I don't know about longevity, but being that we have a coating, the longevity doesn't really matter. So with that product, what it does is gives you extra lubrication while you're drying the vehicle, and it also adds a little bit of protection, and the slickness of the product is incredible. So if you want to give it a shot, especially if you have a coated vehicle, just because we don't know durability yet because it was only just released, I would give it a shot because it is streak free and it gives incredible slickness and gloss is great. This truck is already pretty darn glossy, so I'm curious to see what it's going to look like once we get it dried and use the drying aid. So stay tuned, we just got a few more minutes left and then we'll show you the final product. I'd like to pull it outside, but we have a major snowstorm right now, so I don't want to deliver the vehicle back to the customer dirty, so we might have to miss the outside shot. I'll pop the shop doors open and give it one final walk around at the very end, and then that's it for the series. Let me know if you've enjoyed it, and if you have any further questions or comments, or if there's something you want to see in the future. If you've gotten anything out of the series, that's great. We're here to help. If you want to see more, just like our videos and subscribe. Thank you so much. So this is the wrap up of the 1 year ceramic coating series. You can see the truck here that we coated looks pretty damn good. We just did a follow-up wash on it. So it's been a week and a half. The customer got it good and covered in road grime and snow and all kinds of crap. So it was a pretty good test just to show you what happens with the coating itself. The water behavior we went over earlier in the video when we sprayed it down and that kind of thing. And this clearly shows how glossy it is. So just let me know what you think of the series, if you want to see anything in the future. If you got anything out of the series, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe and like our videos. Thanks for tuning in.